This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi with a special weather briefing this April 8th, 2020. Several periods of severe storms are possible for the remainder of this week. The first period is now into the early evening hours, where damaging wind gusts and large hail are possible. The second period is mainly after midnight, along and ahead of a cold front, where large hail and damaging winds will also be possible. The third period is this Sunday, where a widespread event could occur and damaging wind gusts, hail, and tornadoes will be possible over the entire Ark-La-Missa region. For today, we have a warm, moist air mass in place across the region that has become unstable with daytime heating. This has led to the development of thunderstorms, some of which may become severe, especially this afternoon and into the early evening hours. Later tonight, we're looking for a cold front to drop into northern Mississippi. Additional thunderstorm development is expected in our area, especially after midnight. This is when additional potential for severe thunderstorms will occur. The main risk for today is a slight risk across the northern two-thirds of the area. This is where clusters of severe storms will be possible, mainly with damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour and significant hail up to golf ball size or larger. A lower risk where severe storm potential will be a little more isolated, damaging wind gusts and quarter size to golf ball size hail will be possible. Again, this first period is currently happening and will extend into the early evening hours. There may be a lull in activity from mid-evening to midnight, but after midnight, we'll see again the potential for clusters of storms along and ahead of a cold front that will be dropping into the area. These severe storms will be capable of producing damaging wind gusts of 60 miles per hour and significant hail up to golf ball size or larger. As the front continues to push further into central Mississippi during the night, the threat of severe storms will become more isolated and diminishing, with still the potential for damaging wind gusts and quarter to golf ball size hail. This is expected to diminish by 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. Moving into Friday or Saturday, high pressure with much cooler temperatures on a drier air mass will be across our region. However, by Saturday, the high pressure will be shifting east already, and we'll see an increase in moisture and temperatures warming back into the 70s and possibly the lower 80s. This will be ahead of a main storm system moving through the central United States that will be approaching our region. Our third potential for severe storms will be over the whole area again on Sunday. And at this time, we're expecting the potential for large hail, damaging wind gusts, and tornadoes, all possible Sunday, basically Sunday morning through Sunday night. This forecast is still several days away, and it's likely to change, so make sure you check back for later updates. In summary, we're expecting several periods of severe storms for the remainder of this week. The first period is currently occurring and will continue into the early evening hours. There may be a lull in the activity, but a second period will occur mainly after midnight along and ahead of a cold front. Large hail and damaging winds are the primary threats this afternoon and again after midnight. There will be a third period of severe weather potential this Sunday, where damaging wind gusts, hail, and tornadoes will all be possible across the whole area. That concludes the briefing, and as always, thanks for listening to the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefings.